details that have come in. The action has increased. Police people, the number of police officers, the number of police people increased right outside the NCB office. And anytime Riya Chakravarti could be moving out. Anytime Riya Chakravarti could be moving out, and she will be taken to the Baikala jail. You can see the action that has started, because we are seeing a constant movement. See, Samuel, see. I also need to tell you that the remand for Shouvik Chakravarti ends today. The remand for Shouvik Chakravarti ends today, and also for Anuj Keshwani and also for Zeh. You can see their movement. You can see the movement. They have been taken. Shouvik Chakravarti. You can see the movement because Shouvik Chakravarti's remand ends today. The NCB has made it very clear they do not want to extend the remand. They do not want to extend the remand for Shouvik Chakravarti, which basically means that Shouvik will be sent to judicial custody, which means Shouvik will be sent to judicial custody. You can see Shouvik. If Vijay Aman will show the shots of Shouvik Chakravarti right there in the grey hoodie, if he can show the pictures, they are being taken. They are being taken because the NCB does not want their remand anymore. Whatever information had to be extracted has been extracted from them, and for them, the NCB, the investigative agency, now the prime focus is Riya Chakravarti. If you can see the visuals right outside the Narcotics Control Bureau, they are being taken. The ones whose remand ends today, that includes Shouvik Chakravarti, Samuel Miranda, Deepesh Sawant. They have been taken. They have been taken outside. They have been taken outside. You can see the visuals. You can see the visuals. They have been taken, and now this. You can see now this cordon. The cordon will be removed because these cars are going to move out. The cordon will be removed. The cordon will be removed. These cars are going to move out, and they will be taken. They will be taken because the NCB has made it very clear they do not want remand. They have extracted the information they wanted from Shouvik. They've got his admission on drug distribution. They've got his admission on drug purchase. Now the entire focus has to be on Riya Chakravarti. So let my viewers see those visuals right once again. If my Vijay is going to show you those visuals, Aman, if you could just show the visuals. There's movement right outside the NCB. Let me tell you. Four police vans that are right outside. 4 police vans that are right outside the NCB office. And if you can see, Samir Wankhede standing right there at the gate. Samir Wankhede, the investigating officer, the one who questioned Riya Chakravarti, the one who questioned Shouvik Chakravarti. Samir Wankhede right at the gate, and he was there here today morning right at 9 a.m. Samir Wankhede, who's got the admissions from Shouvik. Samir Wankhede, who got the admissions from Riya Chakravarti that she was organizing drug parties, is right there monitoring this movement, is right there at the gate monitoring this movement of Riya Chakravarti, Shouvik Chakravarti, Samuel Miranda. You just saw them sitting in those vans, those 3 vans. Those 3 vans that are parked outside, right outside the NCB office. You can see they are being taken. Shouvik's remand. The NCB does not want Shouvik. The cordon's been moved. Now the cordon's been moved. The vans are going to come out, and you're going to see Shouvik. You will see Shouvik Chakravarti. You will see Samuel Miranda sitting on those cars, moving out, and very soon it's been put back. There's some delay. There's some change. There is some change. Or they might be waiting because it's also time for them to take Riya Chakravarti to Baikala jail. As we said, 10 o'clock is the time. 10 o'clock is when she had to be taken to Baikala jail. We're also telling our viewers that there might be a bail application at the Sessions Court by her legal team. That is also something that we are looking at. Yesterday, the bail application being rejected, and the legal team trying very hard to save Riya through a bail application yesterday. But it's very clear that the NCB has very strong evidence. NCB has very credible evidence. And that is exactly what the NCB officers said yesterday. The NCB officers said yesterday that they've arrested her because they have enough. They've arrested her because they have credible proof. And that is exactly why Riya Chakravarti is in 14-day judicial custody. 14-day judicial custody. And right now, the movement that is outside the NCB, is for Shouvik Chakravarti, Samuel Miranda. You could just see them. You could see them in those cars. You could see them in those police vans. They are sitting inside. They are going to be taken. They are going to be taken because they are going to be produced in court, and the NCB will say, the Narcotics Control Bureau will say, we do not want remand of Shovik, because NCB is clearly put it that they do not want to extend his remand. Whatever information they had to extract from Shovik has already been extracted. His admission in front of the NCB officers. Now see those visuals. Look at those visuals. Look at those visuals. If you can see Shovik Chakravarti sitting there. Shovik Chakravarti sitting there. Shovik's given his admission to the NCB officers. Shovik, who's made it clear that Ria asked him to purchase drugs. Shovik, who's made it very clear that he was purchasing drugs, but it was on the call of Ria. Shovik Chakravarti, who also spoke about Basit Parihar, who used to come to Primrose Society. That's where Ria and Shovik Chakravarti stay. And very clearly Shovik spilling the details that Basit would come home. Basit, the main guy who would provide the drugs that was procured, from Basit. And Shovik's admission led to further details that have made the case strong against Ria Chakravarti. I'm showing you the visuals, viewers. I'm showing you the visuals of Shovik Chakravarti, and Shovik Chakravarti's remand ends today, but for Ria Chakravarti, it's just the beginning. For Ria Chakravarti, it's just the beginning, because Ria Chakravarti is being taken. Ria Chakravarti is being taken for judicial custody to Baikala jail, where we do not have Ria Chakravarti yet. It's the police vans right outside the NCB. The police vans right outside the NCB. You're seeing this movement. Let me tell you. Right outside the NCB, this is huge movement, because we're expecting now the police vans are moving. The police cordon is moving. This is an indication. That those vans are going to be moving very soon. This is an indication, because we've been seeing this for 3 days. The police van moves, the police security cordon moves, and then right then, those barricades are going to be removed, and those cars are going to come out. Those cars are going to move to the court, because NCB will today say, we do not want to extend the remand. We do not want to extend the remand for Shovik. The cordon is being removed, the barricades being removed, and the cars are moving now. Shovik Chakravarti sitting right there in that car. Shovik Chakravarti, whose remand is not required by the NCB now, because he is admitted to his crime. He spilled the details about Ria Chakravarti. Shovik Chakravarti, Shovik ने बोला है, Shovik Chakravarti को देखिए आप, सैमुअल मिरांडा है, अमन इधर आइए, ये जो वैन लेके डाले, Shovik Chakravarti को देखिए, Shovik सब कुछ मान चुके हैं, Shovik ने माना है कि ड्रग्स ली थी, Shovik ने माना था कि ड्रग्स मंगाई थी, Shovik Chakravarti को आपने देखा, Shovik Chakravarti जो गाड़ी में बैठ कर गए, Shovik Chakravarti he's admitted that he took drugs, he's admitted to the 17 March drug chat, he's admitted that Ria used to ask him to get and procure drugs. He's admitted to the role of Basit Parihar. He's admitted to a lot of details that have led to a very strong case against Ria Chakravarti.